Is the best natural fertilizer for tamarind, and how often should we fertilize this wonderful plant? This is what we're gonna get to know in today's video. And if you're new here and you enjoy videos such as this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Tamarind trees benefit from regular feeding with natural fertilizers, and this really helps to promote healthy growth and fruit production. In today's video, I'm going to cover the best natural fertilizers for tamarind and guidelines on helping you to apply them correctly. 5 natural fertilizers that are amazing for tamarind. You can choose to use either one of them, or you can even combine a couple in order to create a mega composter. Number 1 is compost. Now, compost is a rich source of organic matter and nutrients that can really help to improve the soil fertility and structure. Apply compost around the base of the tamarind trees as a top dressing once or twice a year. The second natural fertilizer is manure. Well-rotted manure such as cow or horse manure provides essential nutrients and organic matter to the soil. You can apply the manure as a top dressing around the base of the tree in the spring or the early summer. Number 3 on the list is fish emulsion. It is a liquid fertilizer made from fish waste, and it is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Dilute fish emulsion according to the manufacturer's instructions and apply every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, which is spring and summertime. Number 4 is seaweed extract, which is a natural fertilizer that is derived from seaweed, and it contains trace minerals, growth hormones, and vitamins that all work together to promote plant growth and resilience. Dilute seaweed extract according to the manufacturer's instructions and apply every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Lastly, we have bone meal, which is a slow release fertilizer made from ground animal bones. It is high in phosphorus, which is super important for flowering and fruiting plants like tamarind. Apply bone meal around the base of the tree in the springtime. Often should you fertilize the tamarind plant? Established tamarind trees fertilize once or twice a year in the spring or the early summer, and apply organic fertilizers such as compost, manure, or bone meal as a top dressing around the base of the tree. But for young trees, young tamarind trees may benefit from more frequent fertilization during the first few years of growth, and this really helps to encourage healthy establishment. Apply fish emulsion. You can also apply seaweed extract every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, and adjust based on the growth as well. So monitor the growth, monitor the health of your several weeks to germinate, and adjust fertilization schedules. So please be patient. If you notice the tree is showing signs of nutrient deficiency, such as yellowing leaves come out, once they are this size, consider increasing the frequency of fertilization. Now, there are 3 important application tips you need to know to fertilize tamarind correctly. Number 1, water the tree thoroughly after applying fertilizer to help distribute nutrients to the soil and the root zone. Number 2, avoid applying fertilizer too close to the trunk in order to prevent burning the roots. Lastly, number 3, use organic fertilizers to improve the soil's health and minimize the risk of nutrient runoff and environmental pollution. Providing the regular application of natural fertilizers, you can ensure that your tamarind tree receives the nutrients it needs to thrive and produce abundant fruit. This was Nora, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one.